Okay, this tutorial is all about simple interest. First of all, simple interest is the amount of money or the interest earned only on the original amount deposited in an account. And this is called principal. Whatever you start the account with is the original amount, and so they refer to that as the principal. Now there's a formula for this. I is equal to PRT, and you're multiplying these three together. So I is the interest. P stands for the principal. R stands for the rate, which is a percent written as a decimal. And then the T is the time that it spends in the bank. And we need to put that in years. Okay, so I is equal to PRT. So let's use this formula on a couple of examples here. So we have a $1,500 deposit for 10 years at a simple interest rate of 3%. All right, so here's our principal. We have our time in 10 years, and we have a simple interest rate of 3%. So first of all, we need to write this as a decimal. So 3% would become 0.03. So we can use it in our formula. Now the formula says it's I is equal to PRT. I am looking for, I'm looking for the amount of interest, so I'm going to leave that as capital I. My principal was $1,500. I started the account with that, times the rate, which is 0.03, and the time is 10 years. Okay, so interest of time, we're going to use the calculator. So 1,500 times 0.03 times 10 gives us $450. So the amount of interest earned in this account is $450, and that's over a period of 10 years. Okay, that's not every year, that's after 10 years. All right, now, what if we have a $6,500 deposit for 6 months at a simple interest rate of 7%? So we have our principal, the amount we started with. We have 6 months. I need to turn that into years. So the amount that this would be 0.5 years. It's half a year. Okay, that's important that we use it in years. And a simple interest rate of 7%, which again, change that to a decimal, 0.07. All right, so starting with our formula, I is equal to PRT. And we're finding the interest. So our principal was $6,500. The rate is 0.07. And the amount of time is half a year, so 0.5. Okay, and again, we're going to use our calculator. So 6,500 times 0.07 times that half a year, $227.50. So the amount earned on this account is $227.50. Okay, I hope this helps.